right, I have my lovely assistant. She's going to assist me in the final cooking process of cooking a freeze-dried steak. Is that what they were? They're one of those packages, right?
Yeah.
We cooked it in the sun. Oh, I wanted to get the temperature probe. Hold on. I wanted to get the Harbor Freight temperature gun for this experiment. Can you cook a steak, frozen steak on the asphalt all day? So this test was about 4.5 hours. We said the concrete earlier was around 130 something degrees. It's 127 right now. The meat says it's 112. Here, hold that.
The phone's ringing.
I don't care. It actually looks good. It looks like it cooked. All right, so April's gonna hold the camera and I'm gonna pick it up. Well, hold on, let's stick the meat thermometer in there.
What's it say?
It's going up. It's over 100 degrees, so it's going to about 110 right now. Come on. So it's going up, which is not bad. So it's going up. I don't know if it's safe to eat or not. So let's keep the camera rolling there. I'll zoom out, and then I'm gonna pick it up. So it went over 110 degrees on the meat thermometer. Let's cut it open. I mean, this isn't a big piece of meat. That's edible. That's.
I cannot believe
People
this.
eat rarer steaks than that.
I can't believe this experiment works.
You can't believe that it cooked. Look at it. Is
yeah,
it clear?
I see it. Yeah.
I mean, this looks like it's edible. So you can cook meat on black top asphalt. It was 130 degrees on the asphalt, which is insane, like how much black retains the heat and collects the heat. But this is definitely feed this to the cats. All right, you can wash this off.
You're still rolling.
Crazy experiments like that, dude. If I didn't want to eat raw meat and it was hot, I would cook it on the street. Thanks for watching.